All right, welcome back now. Thanks for staying with us. Let's give you some horse racing news. A settlement has been reached in the protracted dispute between the former promoting company for local horse racing, Caymanas Track Limited, and the Union of Technical, Administrative and Supervisory Personnel, UTASP. The dispute surrounded former workers of CTL whose services were terminated 7 years ago. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
A three-member panel of the Industrial Disputes Tribunal has made an award in respect of the dispute between CTL and UTASP over the termination of the services of former employees. Caymanas Track Limited, the former promoting company owned by the government, had dismissed 16 workers from the engineering department on August 22, 2016, following a dispute over allegations of a missing computer file. This came 2 weeks after the workers took 2 days of industrial action over issues relating to trainee workers who were assigned to their department. Shane Dalling, the chief executive officer of CTL at the time, said the managers agreed to fire the workers because they walked off the job and that the management had lost confidence in them. The issue led to the cancellation of a race meet during the industrial action. Following unsuccessful attempts to reach a resolution at the conciliatory level, the matter was referred to the Industrial Disputes Tribunal for determination and settlement. The IDT said, having considered all the circumstances, it found that the dismissal of the workers by CTL was unjustifiable. However, the racing operations of CTL were divested in 2017, and as a consequence, none of the workers can be reinstated. The tribunal has ruled that each of the 16 dismissed workers be paid 5 months' basic salary to be calculated at the rates paid to each individual at the date of the termination of their employment in August 2016. A total of 31 sittings were held between September 2021 and April of this year. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.